Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning for MRCOG Part 3, there is one very important step you cannot skip. The Assessment of Training Form, also called AoT. Many candidates find it confusing, but don't worry. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the form, the documents you need, how to fill it correctly, and the mistakes you must avoid. By the end of this video, you will feel confident to submit your AoT without stress. So what exactly is this assessment of training form? It's basically an eligibility check by the RCOG. They want to make sure you have had the right amount of training in Obs and Gynae before sitting for MRCOG Part 3. Let's start. Type AoT form, click on the first link, scroll down and click on the form. If you are a UK trainee with national training number, that's route A. You don't need to send anything extra. But if you're an international candidate, that's route B. For route B, minimum of 4 years of experience in Obs and Gynae is required. Here's what you will need to get ready before you start your application. Your RCOG account number, your medical registration number, your internship certificate, medical registration certificate, and your work experience. Now these documents must be on official hospital letterhead. They must clearly state your job title, hospital name and exact dates of your post. They must be signed by your consultant in charge, and very importantly, they must be attested copies, not just photocopies. Now who all can attest these documents? A fellow or member of RCOG, your university or hospital, the British Council, your embassy or even a solicitor. Finally, combine all these documents into one single PDF before sending it to RCOG. They don't accept multiple attachments. Now let's go step by step into the form itself. Fill in your 6-digit account number. Then tick on route A if you are a UK trainee and route B for all other applicants. Fill in your personal details, first name, last name, email address, gender, then date of birth. Now the next section is medical qualification. So type in MBBS, your university where you have passed from. Now this section is critical because it proves that you have had enough OBGYN training. Here you list each hospital where you worked. Fill in the job title, number of months you have worked there, from start date till end date in day, month and year format. Fill the hospital name, consultant in charge. Upload your internship certificate. Now let's move to employment history. Here you mention all your work experience. For example, as a registrar, senior resident, assistant professor. Again, complete dates are very important. If you leave gaps, RCOG may come back asking for clarification. Coming to the declaration section, read and confirm the above declaration. Put your signatures and submit. Once your form is filled and signed, scan it along with all the supporting documents and send them to the email mentioned here. Processing usually takes 4 to 6 weeks time, so don't wait till the last minute. Remember, you cannot apply for MRCOG Part 3 unless your AoT is approved. You will get an email confirmation once it's accepted and your RCOG account will be updated. Now here are the most common mistakes candidates make. Don't let these delay your approval. Missing dates or incomplete information, no hospital stamp or supervisor's signature, blurry scans or cropped documents, submitting too close to the exam application deadline. So that's the complete guide to filling your MRCOG assessment of training form. If you prepare your documents properly and double check your details, the process is straightforward. I hope this walkthrough saves you time and stress. Share it with your friends who are also preparing for Part 3 and let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you. All the best.